guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the fourth part of the studio build here in my new unit. So the last time you saw me and the progress, a few things have happened which is good, a few things have happened which is bad, but we're not going to talk about that. So we're currently standing in the office that was going to be my YouTube studio. We'll talk about that in a moment. And last time you saw this, it was not quite like this. And we've painted it, given another coat of paint. We also have painted the floor, and we are waiting to put a door. Just about here. So that's good. The good news is about this, it's no longer my YouTube studio. It's going to be rented out. In fact, it has been rented out already, which is a good thing. But it means that I have to find space for my own office. And what I've decided to do is go up into the rafters. So let me just take you through and show you what has changed, and hopefully things look a bit better than they did in part 3. So as you can see, the floor has been painted, the hallway has been painted. We're still waiting to put the second coat on the door. When we first came into the unit, there was a doorway there which we blocked off, painted, and now the walkway is into this room. So this is going to be the cloakroom and the waiting area. As you can see, we've done a bit of work in here. We're still waiting to put the second coat on, and of course we're still waiting to do the floor. The biggest change, I think, is out here. As you can see, the mirrors are looking lovely, and down the far end, the shooting end, we've managed to put in the curve. Thank you, Dennis, for your help. He's been a great help to me. I think one of the biggest changes for me is how it looks from this end. So I am really blown away with how good this looks. So let's have a closer look. So this is are the windows, and believe it or not, we had to use our creativity. These are actually kitchen door units which we just adapted and put as 3 windows, which I think looks quite smart. Of course, that's the cloakroom, and there's my lovely door. I've got to say, I do love this door. I love it. And we've managed to put it on the sliders there, so it just slides across. You can't quite see, hopefully there's a bit of light. So here, so that used to be the entrance into the main hall, but we've changed it, and I'll show you if I can. Not sure if I can, but we're going up into the eaves. So this now is going to be my YouTube office and chill zone. So we started to board it. Still a lot of work to be done up here, and I think it's going to be ongoing throughout the summer, but I am really excited about up here. I'm really happy with the progress of the build. Of course, these things never go to plan. So we still have asbestos at the back of the unit, so the electrics can't be done. If the electrics can't be done, then I can't actually finish the music area around there, but I'm hoping we're going to be open, ready for shooting in the next couple of weeks. I'm really excited about that. It's been a journey and a half. I have to give a big thank you to Dennis. Dennis has he's done me proud. He's really worked really hard. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed and you want to continue to see the progress of the studio and also my shooting, then feel free to hit that subscribe button and tickle that notification bell. It does help us small YouTubers rank in YouTube.